It's important to have access to health care in any community, and you're going to discover that and more in today's CI Health with our sponsor for our town, Paris, Horizon Health. President and CEO Oliver Smith joins me now. Hi, Mr. Smith. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you this afternoon?
I'm good. We're hanging in here. I assume you are too. I know working at a hospital during this crazy time must be pretty intense.
It's got its moments, but we again, every day seems to be a little different. But you have those challenges, and we've got a great staff that helps with the running of this organization, and we feel like we're doing a very good job for our community and our patients.
What has the cases been like in Edgar County, and how have you guys been able to respond to that?
Well, luckily, from the start of the COVID crisis, we were planning for the worst and hoping for the best, and that's pretty much what we ended up getting. And so we're thankful for that. We've had, obviously, as things have opened up more in the last few weeks, we've noticed we are having a few more cases, but luckily, it seems like the severity of those cases has dropped to where they're more or less minor in nature. And obviously the testing piece has ramped up significantly. So I think we're getting more positive tests, especially with the tracking that goes on from exposures, from confirmed cases with other people. And I think for that reason, a lot of the positives tend to be less serious in nature, and that's always a good thing.
Well, we're here today to celebrate our town, Paris, and you guys play such an important role in that community. And to mention, you're coming up on your 50-year anniversary. So let's talk a little bit about that and some points of pride that you've had along the way.
Okay. Well, you're correct. 2020 marks our 50th year in this facility. We were planning a lot of activities, going to have a big group gathering in November, and just felt like with everything else that's going on, that's probably not the best thing to do. So we feel bad about that. We're still planning things that we can get done in a much smaller environment to bring people in that maybe can stop in at their leisure, see things that we are earmarking that are important. Advancements that we've had in the last several years. And so make it more of a day-to-day ongoing thing where they can stop in kind of in their leisure and just help recognize or enjoy what we're trying to show what we've done over that period of time.
You've had some pretty big accomplishments. Why don't you tell us a little bit about those?
Well, we have. We've added several service lines in the last few years. We've added, obviously, anytime you do that, your growth is hopefully going to come, and we've done that. We've gone from basically 150, 60 people 15 years ago. We're a little over 500 now. So that's something we're proud of. We've added a lot of different service lines and have been supported wholeheartedly from our community and our surrounding communities in our areas. Might mention that our service area does include more than Paris. And so we felt like that one of the things we needed to do was recognize that we were growing and we were more than just the Paris community itself, but we wanted to recognize that in a more robust way. So hence the rebranding to Horizon Health, which has been about a little over 2 years ago now. Feel like it's something that now people recognize completely, and we made that transition, and obviously it's given us, I think, a little more recognition further out into our rural communities that we serve also.
Well, Mr. Smith, thank you so much for your service to our community and especially our town, Paris. You guys are doing some wonderful things, and I'm glad to hear the last 50 years have been so successful for you as well. So thank you so much. For more information on Horizon Health, we've got you guys connected to their website online at ciliving.tv. Take care.